Hi friends, welcome to Nasyas Wonders. Today I'm going to make slime, kids' favorite slime. Friends, please like, share my videos. New viewers, please subscribe my channel. To make slime, we need these all ingredients. They are colors, wooden spoon, filler, office glue, slime activator, water and containers. First, add 20 ml of water and 10 ml of glue. Mix slightly. Let's add colors. Today I am making purple and green. Now mix until the color dissolves completely. Now the glue solution is ready. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make green color glue solution. Wow! Both green and purple glue solution are ready. It's time to finish making the slime. Now I am adding 10 ml of slime activator to glue solution. Give your first mix with wooden spoon for 1 minute. See the slime start forming. Wow, the slime is ready now. Wow, both green and purple slime are ready now. Success! I'm going to play with the slimes. Hope you enjoyed this video. You also make slime at your home. See you in next video. Bye. Bye. Please like, share and subscribe.